ये है मेरा सिंपल सा गाँव।
I have to explore the natural beauty of my own village, Bajaur.
Fly just like a bird in the sky. When rain is bucketing down and your friends are talking about fishing. Assalamualaikum dear viewers, I hope that you all are doing well. This is me Nasrullah and right now you are watching my YouTube channel by the name of Al-Nasr Skills and Vlogs. आज का जो व्लॉग है ना हम रागा डैम को एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं, सो स्टे विद मी, कीप वाचिंग द वीडियो, इंशाल्लाह इट विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। ये है मेरा सिंपल सा गाँव और हल्की फुल्की बारिश भी हो रही है, नाउ इट्स ड्रिजलिंग, सो कीप वाचिंग द वीडियो एंड एंजॉय दिस व्लॉग टुडे।
अब आ रहा है इस्माइल खान, जिसे सुस्ती का बादशाह कहा जाता है।
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to.
Now we are also waiting for our ships and we will enjoy, so keep watching. Mashallah, it is very interesting today. People are going to the rest of the places to enjoy Idul Fitr, but I have to explore the natural beauty of my own village, Bajaur. So keep watching the video.
We are heroes tonight. I need you to hear and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah.
you doing? All fine. Now we have to fly just like a bird in the sky.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your
stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion,
So what do you think, viewers, when rain is buckling down and your friends are talking about fish and chicken kidai? So let's have a look for a while.